welcome back to my channel. So today I have another try on haul for you guys from Fashion Nova, and it's a couple of different pieces, some of which I put together to be an outfit. I kind of yanked everything out of the bag already, just so that I didn't have to go through the trouble of ripping open the bags in front of you guys. But I'm gonna show you the pieces that I did get, and then I'm gonna try them on for you guys. So let's get right into this. Okay, so this first piece that I got is this mesh Abadan Bougie cream top. I am loving it because it is light and it's perfect for this transitional season from like August to September, from summer to fall, and you can layer this, so I'm really excited to try this out. I think that it's gonna fit perfectly well because it's pretty loose and obviously stretches. The size that I tried on is a 3X because I wanted it to be extra loose and big because I love the way like big kind of t-shirts like this look, especially when they're just like sort of falling off the shoulder or just like hanging off the body, which I think is really cute. I also got these camouflage joggers, which I think I'm gonna try on with the Abadan Bougie top so you guys can see it and what it looks like together, and then obviously individually. It is an elasticized waist and along the cuffs around the ankle. So there's a lot of stretch in here. I did get this a 3X. Normally I'm a 2X, but I got it big again because I feel like with some of Fashion Nova's more form-fitting stuff, I usually size up. For something that's a little bit more loose, I keep true to size. But I really wanted these to be very like baggy too, so I again went a size up for that loose, comfy fit. So let's go try this on. Okay, so instantly I am in love with this top. It feels so comfy on, it fits so nice. I'm glad I got the 3X because I love the loose fit. If you want a more snug fit or true to size fit, I would definitely go true to size. So 2X would have been my true to size, but I really love the loose fit of it all. So for the pants, I love it. The only thing is I wish, if you can see from here, the ankles are a little bit loose on me. I have like a, what do you call it, like an oval shape, and so like my limbs are always the smallest parts of my body, and then my midsection is my largest part of my body, so I need to have clothes that are conscious of that. So this is pretty snug around my midsection, and this is me going a size up. So if you are larger in the midsection like me and carry most of your weight here, you want to be conscious of that. But I mean, other than that, it still fits really comfortable. It just doesn't, there's not like much wiggle room. It doesn't stretch. It's not super stretchy material, but it fits nice on. I like the way it looks. It's pretty comfy. My only thing is I would love for the ankles to be more tapered in, just because I like that slim like fit. And I would totally wear these with strappy heels, you know, for the cooler, the warmer weather. And when it gets warmer, throw on a leather jacket and some boots. Yes, so I am loving this very much. What do you guys think? The only thing another thing that I would love to have seen is pockets. I love having pockets like right here. There are pockets on the side, but there's nothing like, no buttons or anything like that, so things I think can easily fall out. So I always prefer to have pockets here. I like to or even belt loops, because I like to rest my hands, my fingers, in a secure location on my pants. So I'm a big fan of pockets, but these don't have any that are like that, but they do have the ones on the side, like the cargo-esque pockets. But cute so far. I am loving it. What do you guys think? By the way, I'm sorry if you keep seeing me look off to the side. I'm actually getting used to a new monitor, so I will try to make sure I keep my eyes focused on you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next pieces. So Fashion Nova did send me all of these so that I can review and share it with you guys, but I did get to pick the pieces that I wanted. So I'm excited about all these pieces, but I wasn't sure how they were gonna fit, so here I am sharing with y'all. So the next pair of pants that I got were these bag pants. These are a 3X as well. Again, because it's more of a slim fit, I decided to go a size up just to make sure that it fit me properly. And this material doesn't have any stretch, but there is an elasticized waist. So I'm hoping it fits. If anything fits, just like it fits like these camouflage pants fit. Just like they're snug, but there isn't like stretch room or anything like that. They still feel comfortable to sit and move around in, but like, you know, I'm the type of girl that loves my comfort, and I love my stretch and my movability, my flexibility. So we shall see. I'm gonna go try these on right now with this top and see how they fit. All right guys, I am sweating here because the AC is off just so that the audio sounds better than hearing buzzing in the background. So I'm kind of sweating right now, so bear with me. But I just put on the bag pants. They are not the fit I was expecting. They are a lot more snug. I was expecting more of a loose fitting pair of pants, especially because, I mean, they're meant to be more loose around the waist and sort of just fall on the body. The legs fit great, around the thighs fit great, but again, like I said, I am more of an oval shape, so I do carry more of my weight in my midsection, so this is always gonna be more snug. But I mean, it does fit, it does look cute. It's just not the fit that I was expecting and what I wanted from this type of pants. So I can definitely work with these, but they're just not the fit I was expecting, so I'm not as thrilled. But they're still pretty comfy. They are a lot more comfy than the last pants that I put on. So there is more wiggle room, there is more stretch room, just not around the waist and around this section. So next is this Moto Skirt. I am really excited because I love my leather jackets, as you guys may probably know. I have like so many. Faux leather, and I think I have like 1 or 2 real leather. I thought this was such a cute piece to add into my closet for the fall. The only thing is I've been eyeing it for some time, but I've been like hesitant to get it solely because I usually stick to fit and flare cuts because it's more flattering for my body, again, because I do carry my weight in my midsection. So it coming down and out from the body is a lot more flattering for my shape. But flattering outfits, I wanted to go ahead and try out the skirt and hopefully it looks good. If not, oh well, I'm gonna wear it anyways because I think it looks cute. Again, I did size up 3X because again, with Fashion Nova's more form-fitting pieces, I always size up to make sure that it fits well. There are other pieces that I've gotten from Fashion Nova that I wore 2X, and if I had gotten a 3X, it would have been way too big. But I always recommend anybody who carries more of their weight like me in the midsection, especially when it comes to things that are more snug around the waist, to size up. Look at the details on this. The belt is super cute. I love that. And yeah, I just, oh, it's super cute. I really hope this fits well. All right guys, I am sweating like crazy because it took work to get into this skirt. I had to recruit David to help me get into it because it zips from top to the bottom, and again, my midsection gets in the way, so I had to like do the whole pull and, you know, pull thing, the pull and pull thing. The zipper pull and the pull down the skirt, like, okay, it took all kinds of efforts. But I got into it. It looks pretty cute. The only thing is, it definitely is too snug for me. I had to like wiggle into it and wiggle it down because the slit doesn't stretch at all underneath. That's attached to the dress, but the actual faux leather material, whatever it is, it does stretch. So that's comfortable, but the only thing is the slit underneath won't stretch at all, so that's not gonna budge. This is not a true 3X to me, in my opinion at least. And it also is sitting much higher on my body because it's so snug. If it fit around here a little bit better, it would sit on my hips a little bit lower. And so because it's so high up, it's super short and super short in the back. So I wouldn't wear this out really. Maybe like, I don't know. Maybe if I can get it to come down a bit more in the back, then I would be okay with wearing it out. But I absolutely love the way the front looks. I love the details, I love the zipper, I love the belt. I really wanted it so badly to fit well enough so that I can wear it out, feel comfortable, and for my booty be covered. Like right now, I have no problem with how snug it feels because I think it sits nicely on my body. Like it's not like, you know, making my body look weird or making my skin like overlap, but I mean, it definitely is tight around here. If you can look at it, it is snug with the belt. And usually I'm always wearing belts because belts, again, around my midsection can be very a pain in the butt because they're usually not long enough or whatever the case is. But this, I got it onto the first hole, which is fine. The zipper fits, everything fits here. It's just that it took a lot. It took me and David, my husband, to get me into the skirt. But it's sitting up so high that it's uncomfortably short for me in the back. But I don't know, maybe I could wear it out. Maybe I would wear it with something like a jacket so that it covers the back side of me. Which, talking about a jacket, I also did get a jacket from Fashion Nova, which is this cute long blazer. striped. Might as well try it on for you guys right now. Okay, so maybe I would wear the skirt with something like this because it covers the back, so my booty won't be coming out. And yeah, it fits comfortably and it doesn't conceal the beautiful parts and details of the skirt. So something like this, I definitely would wear this with this actually, maybe a different top. But look at this jacket, guys. I am loving this. I love me some long blazers and dusters and things like this. So this is right up my alley. I am in love with the stripes. Such a statement piece, very cute. And the skirt, I really do love the way the skirt looks. Like, oh, except for this, look at the zipper. See, the zippers are coming down. What do you guys think? The skirt, it's so freaking cute. Look at the belt. Sometimes I get so frustrated with the way certain things fit that I'm like, I'm just gonna take this piece and make it better so that it fits everyone with my similar body type. Maybe one day, guys, maybe in you know, Steph and Nadia dreams world where there is a fashion line coming out, maybe one of those things will one day happen. Let me know your thoughts. Would you guys want something like that? What do you think? Can I pull off the skirt with the jacket? Let me know, comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. Yes. Let me go try on that final piece for you and then we are done. So I got this top. It's another mesh top, but it's like this grid top. I really like it because it reminds me of this mesh grid dress that I actually have. Snapshot right here. It's one of my favorite dresses. I thought this would be cute to add to my closet as well. It's a little bit more thicker than I was anticipating, so I mean, that's pretty good though because it's gonna be good for this transitional weather into fall and into like the winter when it starts getting a little bit colder. Okay, so this is how the bodysuit fits. It's 2 snaps in between the legs. And again, for the midsection, it does pull out a little bit, so it does feel like it's being pulled from my shoulders and down there. But I just gotta like shimmy it up a little bit. Okay, this is a size 3X as well. It hugs the waist nicely, which I like. And of course I would wear a black bra with this. So it does have the mesh grid on it, but it's not too revealing. So I think that's really nice, especially if you're wearing a black bra, it's not gonna be noticeable at all. It is pretty thicker than I expected it would be, the material, so this will be great for the fall and winter, depending on how you dress it and style it. So it's pretty warm. I feel like myself getting hot already. I need to get my AC on, guys, so we're gonna wrap this up pretty soon. But I like the fit overall. This is another body. This is my second bodysuit from Fashion Nova. The first one I have is the one with floral decor on it. Here's another snapshot. So that's my favorite bodysuit of all time, and I love the way that one fits. And that one's actually lighter in material, so it's great for the summertime, very breathable. Y'all, it is too hot in here. So here is the piece. So overall, I'm pretty happy with all the pieces that came in my haul. The only thing I'm not really fully happy about is, again, the fit around my midsection. This is the first time I've also ventured into pieces that I normally don't venture to because I know that they're gonna be problematic for my midsection. And so I guess I'm more surprised at how well they fit than what I anticipated that they would fit like. And that's just because my body is different. Everybody's body is different, and I still love it. And you should love your body as well. And I know that it can be frustrating when you're trying to find clothes that fits properly, but there are so many brands out there trying to make it happen. And I know that Fashion Nova is definitely one of them, but there are pieces that are gonna be hit or misses. But as you can see, even though that some of these pieces were snug around my waist, I can still work them. And so can you guys. So that's pretty much it for this try on haul. Time for me to go put some clothes on because right now I'm like not matching them all over the place. And it is Friday night, so it is date night for me and Dave, and we're gonna go out, have some fun. But I am so glad to be here with you guys, talking to you guys. I know that I have not put out something in quite some time, but I want to try to make a roll and go with it and be here with you guys. I needed a bit of a social media break, but I love doing this and I love talking to you guys. I love being here with you guys, so I hope you do too. If you did love this video and you do love me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. And until then, bye. Mwah.